Okay, now that we are done with the title screen, let's continue to make our instruction screen. I'm going to go back to the backdrop button, hover over it, click onto the Paint tool. This will allow me to create another backdrop costume. Change the title, we're going to call this one Instructions. Okay, and like what we did for the title screen, use the box tool, choose a fill color. Let's try a different color this time around. I'm going to choose a slightly dull yellow color. Okay, and I'm going to just drag over the white box to create my background. Okay, make sure it fills up the whole screen. If not, you will have to use the select tool to stretch it out. Okay, now let's move on to the text. We're going to click the text tool. We're going to add the words how to play at the top. So same thing, before you start typing, choose a font style that you like and choose a color. Make sure that it doesn't blend in with the background. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to try a light pink color. Okay, and then you can type your words, how to play. All right, to resize, arrow tool, drag the corner dots. Okay, and position it nicely. Okay, now for the long instructions, another line of text, use the text tool. Right now, I'm going to change the font to make it easier to read because right now we're going to give the detailed instructions. So let me use a handwriting font. Maybe let's change it. Let's follow the pixel. Okay, just like our title screen. Choose a fill color. Maybe I'll try a darker shade this time round. Okay, click the screen and start typing. So just type out some basic instructions to teach players how to play your game. Okay, so move your mouse cursor to guide the boat through the maze to reach the island. Okay, and I'm going to add a next line. I use the enter button to move my line down. Be careful not to crash into the maze barriers. Okay, and then if I want to bring my text down, I can just click somewhere in the middle, press the enter button. All right, once done, use the arrow tool to shift your text nicely in place. Okay, if your text is too long, you can either choose to resize or you can click your cursor somewhere in the middle and press the enter to shift the text down one line. Okay, nice. Once you're happy with it, you can start to add more elements to your instruction screen. So we're going to create a fixed start button. I'm going to use a box for this. Okay, choose a different fill color. You can choose any color that you like, but make sure that it's not the same and doesn't blend in with your background. Okay, shift it to the center. This is going to be my fixed start button. I'm going to add a line of text that says start. So again, choose my font, choose my fill color. I'm going to use the eyedropper to pick the same pink as my how to play. And I'm going to write the word start. Arrow to resize and then position nicely in the center. Okay, and then I'm going to copy my boat normal costume. So actually I already have it in my title screen. So I'm just going to jump to my title screen, going to click onto this normal costume, copy, jump back to instructions, paste. Okay, then I can resize it and move it wherever I want it to be. Okay, finally, since we're talking about moving your mouse cursor, let's draw a little mouse cursor so that others know what exactly we're talking about. So I'm going to use the paint, the brush tool for this. I'm going to choose a different color. I'm going to use a white color to match my mouse cursor. And you can change the size using the numbers here. And then just freehand draw an arrow. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just do your best and have fun with this. Alright, if you think that coloring is a bit tough, you can also use the paint bucket to fill in the whole color. Okay, all done. So I'm happy with the screen. This is the completed instruction screens. We are getting ready to code in the next video. So watch the next video to learn how we can do that.